Welcome to Rustbuster's Installation Guide
for Ford's 1999 to 2016 F-250 Super Duty.
Before you begin, if you're uncomfortable performing any of the processes listed in this guide, then we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you are following all of the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery. Inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazard.
Step 2. Remove your truck's bed bolts, then lift and remove the bed. Remove the bed mount bushings. Uninstall the leaf spring from the rear forward leaf spring mount. Step 3. Cut the rivet heads and welds holding the factory rear forward leaf spring mount and use a hammer and punch to clear the studs from the rivet holes. Take care to avoid damaging the leaf spring mount, as it will be reinstalled later if you do not have a replacement. This part features perforations to accommodate the carrier bearing crossmember rivets. If you are keeping this crossmember, remove the perforations now. If you are replacing this crossmember, cut the rivet heads and punch out the studs now. Step 4. Remove any frame rot, rust, or debris from the work area and spray the work area with a weld-through primer. Slide the frame section onto the frame using the frame holes for alignment. C-clamp the part in place. Following proper welding procedure, tack weld the part in place prior to welding all edges fully. Step 5. Paint the part and work area with rust inhibitor to prevent or reduce future rust formation.
We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint.
Step 6. Reinstall or install a replacement rear forward leaf spring mount. Reinstall the leaf spring. Lower the bed and reinstall it to the frame. Now, get back out on the road.